Caroline. I am the receptionist slash paralegal for the Schwartz Law Group. I work for 3 attorneys and there are 2 law clerks here as well. I do the billing, I handle scheduling depositions, making sure that we have a court reporter to do all the transcripts. It's kind of a jack of all trades type of job, and the guys here are really great. Everyone's awesome to work with, and if you ever need any legal advice, don't hesitate to contact us.
Oh, hello there. My name is Eric Lawson. I work for the Schwartz Law Group. I handle family law cases, domestic violence, criminal cases, and some appeals.
Hi, my name is Alicia Battern. I'm a law clerk here at the Schwartz Law Group, and I currently am a law student at Florida Coastal School of Law.
My name is AJ Tasker. I'm an attorney with the Schwartz Law Group in Jacksonville. I specialize in criminal defense. We do a lot of family law work also. Been practicing about 10 years now. Started off as the attorney's office and have been in private practice for approximately 8 years.
All right, so hi, I'm Ryan Hopfe. I'm doing an externship here at the Schwartz Law Group, and we're sitting with my sponsor, Mr. Tasker. So what drew you to a career in law?
I originally wanted to be a sports agent.
Okay.
I went to law school to be a sports agent. I had a roommate in college who was drafted by the Giants and was going to be his agent, and I was for a short period of time, represented a few other clients. And just got out of that business and got into defense work more when had a few people in my life that ran into some troubles and realized how difficult the system can be for people to go through, don't understand it, and just got involved in trying to help them, and kind of took me in a different direction.
That's awesome. And you were talking about going to school for a sports agent. What's your educational background?
I went to Widener University in Chester, Pennsylvania, and my undergraduate degree is in criminology, actually, with a minor in law. And I had and then I went out for my JD at Florida Coastal here in Jacksonville.
That's awesome. And so you said, excuse me, that a couple of people you knew ran into some trouble, and the system could be messed up with stuff like that. Would you say that's why you still do what you do?
Yeah, people who have never been involved in the criminal justice system, when they get into it somehow, whether it's through a child, like parents with an adult child, or sometimes we run into clients who are in their 40s and have never had any kind of criminal history in the past, and they get involved in the system, and they're just shocked at the way people can be treated, and the things that the government's allowed to do to someone prior to them being convicted of anything. I hear that a lot from people, that it can't be this way. This isn't what I see on TV. It can't really happen this way, but it does.
So AJ, what do you say your best or your favorite memory from being an attorney over the past 10 years is, and why?
Coolest thing I've got to do, I represented a couple of guys down in St. Johns County. It's probably about maybe 4 or 5 years ago now, on some cocaine trafficking charges. They were Cuban immigrants from Miami, and they had been charged with trafficking, and it was into 4 or 5 kilos of cocaine, I can't remember which. And it took us about took us probably about 9 months to get that case dropped before we could eventually prove that they had nothing to do with it and that the case was actually going to be dropped and they were going to be sent home. And when I found out about that, it was probably about 7:30, maybe 8 o'clock in the evening, something like that. And when I got the call that the case was going to be dropped that day,